Oh, you need to get at least somebody. We need to put a name in with worldwide ID. What happens is that registration. Ask them for their name. Yeah. And the way to watch.
Do you have one more of this?
No, I got mine.
Only for you.
Ernie!
That's,
I know he's over 18. So have you done this yet?
Hi.
I'm Monica from OSAT.
Okay, can you tell me a bit about the exhibition?
Just sure a little bit.
How much ever you want.
Basically, I'm the founder member and president of One School at a Time. It's a 501c3 NGO or NPO. What we focus on is rebuilding infrastructure of school buildings in India. And these are schools that are really in dire need of infrastructure rebuilding. For instance, some of our projects we have undertaken, as you can see, if you believe it or not, these are the classrooms. So this monsoon they were flooded and roofs have collapsed. This is how the external walls look. So these are the type of buildings we take, and we try to give the children a respectful, quality education. God knows where the next Steve Jobs is from, right? So we are here showcasing this. I invite people to come here.
Okay.
Help us. They can visit osat.org.
Okay. Alright.
More information.
Anything else you want to say to the
Well,
audience?
I'm very thankful to Intel India actually for giving, and Jay and team for giving an opportunity to showcase OSAT.
Alright. Thank you.
Thank you.
Actually, you want some member for.
Hi, can you please tell me a little bit about your table?
Yes, this is an organization called Overseas Volunteer for Better India. It is a project that is being coordinated with International Association International Association for Human Values. It's a non-profit organization, and basically what this project Volunteer for Better India does is right now focusing on the current focus, short-term focus for 2014 elections is to be able to increase the voter registration by 100 to 150 million new people. Right now what is happening is there are 750 million voters in India, eligible voters that are there. Out of them, 250 million are not participating in elections, 100 million are not registered to vote, and 20 million are illegal voters, and only about 270 million people are really participating out of 750 million voters. The goal of this organization, RITS project, is to increase that by about 200 million, the participating voters. Increase the participating voters goal, basically voters, by 200 million, and make it about 500 million people participating in the elections. And when these new people, like young, most of the youth are not participating in elections. So one of the objectives is to bring the youth into it and make them volunteers, and also go on this voter registration drive in villages, in cities, and send good candidates, honest and empowered leaders to our assemblies and parliament. That is the basic goal. Basically, voter registration and voter education, not to fall for bribes. That is the essential start of this project, this organization, and we are very grateful that we have a table here.
Great, that's great. all the best for
Thank you.
the goals of this organization. And any message for Intel India? Like, in short.
I appreciate the work Intel India has been doing over the years. I've been quite involved over here every time these activities happen. I'm impressed with the professionalism and enthusiasm and creativity with which Intel India organizes these programs, cultural programs. It's amazing. It's a pride both for Intel and Indians in general.
Great.
Thank you very much for doing this show.
I hope Intel always supports your organization. Thank you.
Sure. What's your name?
My name is Prabha.
Prabha. And
Hi. Welcome to the Intel India event. Would you like to say anything about your table?
Yes, hi, I'm Ernie Leba, I'm with Core Performance, and we run the on-site fitness center here at Intel. We do group classes, we do personal training, and it's a great way for everyone here to get healthy and eat correctly and focus on their health. So I'm just here at Diwali at Intel to just expose the gym and just help everyone out and share fitness and health to all of Intel.
Alright, thank you. I hope you get a lot of people coming to the gym
Thank you,
after this
appreciate
event.
it.
Thank you.